The U.S. military destroyed 16 Iranian mine-laying vessels near the Strait of Hormuz, a key global oil shipping route, as tensions with Iran continue amid broader conflict. Dynamics in the Middle East. Iran responded with threats to block oil exports if opposed nations attempt transit. This reflects Washington's efforts to secure maritime navigation and counter Iranian naval capabilities. Why it matters. The U.S. assertiveness in the Gulf has major implications for energy markets, shipping security, and regional stability. This action signals continued escalation in the U.S.-Iran proxy confrontation.